Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. So for today's analogy, I'm going to talk about the concept of restructuring using Ben & Jerry's ice cream. And let's see, I think I got some Ben & Jerry's ice cream here. Yeah, it looks like I got some half-baked Ben & Jerry's ice cream here to kind of kick this video off. But all jokes aside, let's imagine that a company like Ben & Jerry's decides that they want to do certain restructuring within their organization. This restructuring can lead to certain changes at the executive level. Let's imagine that Jerry, who's one of the founders of this beautiful crafted ice cream, decides that he wants to go and pursue another venture. At this point, Jerry decides that he's going to go do this, and Ben, who's still within the company, is going to be doing his normal day-to-day job. As a result, the company's going to have to go and hire a new executive to lead the organization. With these changes, there may be certain layoffs, there may be certain organizational changes that the new leadership wants to carry out because their goals have now transitioned and changed. So this restructuring is common not just within business, but also within other companies like Ben & Jerry's, you name it. And some restructuring can be good, some can be bad, it depends on who you ask, but it's a common practice within organizations. So I hope you guys found that analogy helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more content at www.simpme.com. And also go buy yourself some Ben & Jerry's ice cream, because who doesn't love ice cream? Thanks.